All right, so everybody's planted in the fabric grow bags. We also, if you'll notice, we put some shade cloth on the top. These dragon fruit were growing in semi-shade. So right now they're in full sun, and we're gonna give it a little bit of protection from the direct sun for about a week. At some point, yeah, we're gonna have to give them full sun. But for now, to get them off to a good start, we're just gonna keep them protected with that makeshift shade that we put on them. Basically, it's 2 bamboo poles across the top with zip ties, and then we just draped over the shade cloth. And then so that's Physical Graffiti, and I believe Cosmic Charlie are in here. And then down here I have the other one, which is Physical Graffiti. This guy, same situation. 25-gallon grow bag, protected from the shade. And the idea here is that they're gonna grow, and then they're gonna get to the top, which I've already cut this here at the top. And when you cut that top piece, it begins to branch out. So we'll see what's happening in a week, and we'll give you some updates. And we plan on setting up about, I don't know, 3 or 4 more of these here at the field where we're growing these in Davie. All right, there's your update on growing dragon fruit in grow bags. We'll have more for you in the coming weeks.